Bose 700 noise cancelling headphones. Time to check them out. What's up guys, welcome back to Michael's Tech Talk. As you can see, I have the Bose 700 headphones. By all means, they're not a new set of headphones out there, but they are the headphones I did get when I ordered my Pixel 6 Pro. Finally arrived from Google. You know what's coming. Let's get them reviewed and get a look at them. First impressions, the unboxing was pretty straightforward. Just came in a plain box. Headphones came in a really good case, and there was a nice little concealed pouch for the likes of the audio cable and the USB-C cable. Other than that, not really anything to shout home about. It was pretty straightforward. I really like the leather effect case. It offers a good bit of protection. As you can see there, it's got the Bose logo and all on it. It's very nice, and inside is quite well lined as well. And again, there's your little pouch for your cables, you know, it's really good. And I'll be honest, for these headphones especially, it's nice to have a good proper case to carry them in. Not looking at anybody in particular. Apple, no bra here. Like, if we look at the design of them, I really like the design of these. I think they look really good. The cups are really good, and the buttons are very nicely concealed to the back of the headphones. So when you're wearing them, you're not reaching around and hitting buttons on the front, you know, which is pretty nice. The buttons there on the back, one's your Bluetooth button, the other is your assistant button, and then your other is your noise cancellation button, you know, which is pretty good. So I really like the design of them, and I really like the design of the headband, you know, that it sort of goes into the cup itself, and it sort of looks like a single piece. And it's sleek and very streamlined, so I really like them, and they're quite light as well, which is a bit refreshing for me because I've recently reviewed the AirPods Max. They're heavy. they're a heavy set of headphones, and you really notice when they're on your head. So these were a very pleasant change for me, you know, just not having the weight of the world on your head. And they're playing. Nice. Leather effect cups as well. Very comfortable. Unlike some other headphones, I don't really feel my ears getting really warm when I'm wearing them, which is a good thing. So yeah, I really like that. They're extremely comfortable. Headband's very comfortable as well. Sound quality, I would say the sound quality on these is good. I wouldn't say it's mind-blowing, and if I'm being truthfully honest, I wouldn't say these would be close to AirPods Max in terms of sound quality, but they are not bad in any way, shape or form. The noise cancellation on them is good, and one thing I did really like about these, it's a feature that I feel AirPods Max is really badly missing. The Bose Music App is really good, so when you connect these to your phone and you download the Bose Music App, you can actually go in, make changes to your headphones. You can go in, you can rename them, you can toggle about with the noise cancellation level, so you can reduce how good you want the noise cancellation to be. That is really good feature. And you can go in and you can adjust the equalizer as well, so you can adjust the bass, the treble, all that sort of thing. It's really good, and I really love that feature. So this is a mic test of the Bose 700 noise cancelling headphones. So let me know in the comments down below what you think of the audio. Is it good? Is it bad? Is it okay? Let me know down below. Another feature I really loved was the touch controls on the cups. On these cups themselves, when you have these on, part of the cup at the front with the Bose logo, it controls your volume, and it controls your play, pause, skip forward, skip back. So with some very simple touch gestures, you can actually scroll up to put your music up, scroll down to put your music down, skip forward, skip a track forward, and then back to skip a track back. I really love that feature. It streamlines the look of the cups, and you're not filling your headphones full of buttons and things like that there. How durable they'll be is anyone's guess, but for my usage, when I've been using these, I really liked it, and I thought it was pretty sleek. Battery life in these here, Bose say you get up to 20 hours of continuous playback on one charge. I haven't been game enough to listen for 20 hours, but I will say the battery life is pretty good in these. Yeah, their sleep mode is a hell of a lot better than AirPods Max, I can tell you that. There's not much I can say bad about these. I mean, yeah, do they sound better than AirPods Max? No, but AirPods Max are 550 quid. And I'll be honest, doing a bit of research on these, obviously I got these free with the Pixel 6 Pro, but doing a bit of research on these, I actually found you can pick these up for 100 quid on Argos. That's crazy. And for that price point, here, go buy them, because for that money, yeah, Yes please, that'll do me nicely. What else can I say? They do exactly what they say in the tin. The noise cancellation is good on it. You can adapt the noise cancellation, which is great. You can configure your equalizers. The sound is good. The battery's good. They feel good. What's not to like? And if you can get them as cheap as what I found them for, it's a no-brainer. So yeah, by all means, they are a great set of headphones. That just about wraps it up for this video. I hope you liked it. If you did, you know what you need to do for me. You need to do those 3 things. Hit that like button. Massively appreciate it. Helps get the videos out into the world. And if you haven't already, guys, hit that subscribe button. Massively helps me out on the channel. We're on the road to 1,000 subs, so the sooner we get there, the sooner we can do another tech giveaway, which I'm really looking forward to. So you know what you need to do, guys. Hit that subscribe button and tell all your friends. Hit that subscribe button. And if you want to be notified of more videos just like this one, hit that little bell button. Until the next one, guys, I'm going to go and get cracking on and get back into my scooter, and I will catch you in the next one.